It's craft time! Today we're going to make a game called Robots Encoder. This game is kind of like Follow the Leader, and a game that you can play with 3 or more friends. For this game, we're going to need some paper. We'll need white paper and construction paper, your scissors, a hole punch, yarn, and then whatever you like to draw with crayons or colored pencils or markers. The first thing we're going to need is to make our name tags that tell you who is the coder and who are the robots in the game. And of course, in this game, the coder will tell the instructions to the robots, and robots can only do the instructions that the coder gives. So we're going to use the white paper to make these name tags, and you can cut your white paper into quarters to make a little card like this. And then we're going to write coder on one card and then robot on the other 3. And then you can make additional ones if you have more people who are playing the game than 4 people. So you put a hole right in the top and then thread a piece of yarn through that hole to make a name tag. And then here's one I made before with the coder on it. And then I have 3 robot cards that you can wear, and I made the robots different shapes and different colors so you can tell everybody can choose their robot. And then when you're playing the game, you just wear that name tag over top of your head so you know who's the robot and who's the coder. That's the beginning, and then you just need to make your coder instruction cards. So those will be using the colored construction paper, and we can also cut the colored construction paper into quarters to make cards and make them in different colors. So you're going to want to have one card where it is a stop card, and then you can make one card that is a go card, and then whatever different instructions you think might be fun to have for your game. You can have one that says bend down, and you can have all the robots bend down, or maybe jump up. And you could have one that says turn this way, and one that has turn that way. Then the game is played, the coder puts up the card, and then the robots all need to follow the instructions. I think this would be a really fun game to play at a party or sometime when you have a group of friends together. Hope you'd enjoy this craft. Try it out and try the game. And if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and like it. And also subscribe to our channel so that you'll get our videos in your subscription box each month. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye-bye.